Hey, good morning guys. Just about to head to work. My first part of my Miniart order came in. So we got the German tractor. This is bloody awesome. The T54B, which is massive. Like the size of this thing, it's huge and it's like heavy. It's full of plastic. It's just got this big block of it. So we got the Panzerfaust set. We got the Panzer Shrek set. The welders. And the German road signs. And that's the first batch. So the next batch has been sent out and should be here by Thursday or Friday. So we'll have a look through these ones tonight when I get home. And we'll check it out. It's really cool, the whole lot, everything in here is really cool, and I'm really glad that we got this stuff and got it at about 40% off the whole lot, so it's really good. This kit's awesome. It's got heaps of infantry in it, it's got a mine set, it's got heaps of really cool stuff inside. Alright guys, I better head to work, and I'll come and we'll have a look through some of these sets later tonight. Alright, I'll speak to you soon.